Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the default transition length in DaVinci Resolve. This is a really useful adjustment if you find yourself constantly tweaking transition durations to match your preferred editing style. Instead of manually changing every transition, you can set a default that works for all your projects right from the start. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and get it running on your computer. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled DaVinci Resolve. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Preferences. This is where all the customization magic happens, and it's the control center for tailoring DaVinci Resolve to fit your workflow. Once the Preferences window opens, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on User to enter the User tab. This section contains all the settings specific to your personal editing preferences, as opposed to system-wide settings that might affect other users or projects. It's designed to give you full control over how the software behaves when you're working. Now look over to the left side of the Preferences window. You'll see a list of categories. Find and click on Editing. This category houses all the settings related to your editing timeline, transitions, and general editing behavior. It's one of the most important sections if you want to streamline your editing process. Within the Editing section, scroll down until you find General Settings. This is where fundamental editing behaviors are configured. Under General Settings, locate the option labeled Standard Transition Duration. This is the setting that controls how long transitions like dissolves, wipes, or fades will be by default whenever you apply them to your timeline. Besides Standard Transition Duration, you'll see a field where you can input a number. This number represents the duration in seconds. Go ahead and type in how many seconds you want your default transitions to be. Whether you prefer quick half-second cuts or longer 2-second fades, this is where you define that preference. After you've entered your desired duration, make sure to click Save. This confirms your changes and ensures that every new transition you apply going forward will use this length by default. You won't have to manually adjust each one anymore, saving you time and keeping your editing consistent. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default transition length in DaVinci Resolve, making your editing workflow smoother and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.